we have 5 times 23. So we can partition 23 into 20 and 3. Because we know how to multiply by 20, we know how to multiply by a multiple of 10, and of course we know how to multiply by 3. So now we need to work out 5 times 20, then work out 5 times 3, and then add up our answers. So we're multiplying 5 by 20 and by 3. If we count 5 steps of 20, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 5 times 20 is 100. And now what do we need to do? We need to work out 5 times 3. So if we count 5 groups of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now what do we need to do? We need to add up our answers. So 100 plus 15 is 115. So that's our answer. So if you have your 20 times table and you add your 3 times table, you get your 23 times table, because 23 can be partitioned into 20 and 3. So to answer 5 times 23, we found 5 times 20, then added 5 times 3 to get 5 times 23. Now pause the video and see if you can answer 6 times 34 using the grid method. So our first step is to partition 34 into 30 and 4. So we're going to multiply 6 by 30, then multiply 6 by 4, and then add up our answers. So we have 6, and we're going to multiply 6 by 30, and then we're going to multiply 6 by 4. So now, with 6 times 30, we need to count up in steps of 30 6 times. So we have 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. So 6 times 30 is 180. And if you know 6 times 3 is 18, you know that 6 times 3 tens is 18 tens. So 6 times 30 is 180. Now we need to work out 6 times 4. So counting up 6 steps of 4 gives us 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. Now we need to add 180 and 24. And unless you're really confident with mental addition, you might want to use a number line or column addition to make sure that you've got the right answer. But 180 plus 24 gives us 204, so we know that 6 times 34 is 204. So we multiplied by 34 by partitioning 34 into 30 and 4. because if you have your 30 times table and you add your 4 times table, you get your 34 times table. So we found 6 times 34 by adding 6 times 30 and 6 times 4.